capable, incredible, 'cause we're differently abled, differently.
Sickle cell is a non-communicable genetic disease. The severity of this disease has not only led to stigma, but other complications such as stroke or even amputation.
On today's show, we talk about sickle cell. My name is Jen Thauri.
I'm Ruth Mweni.
Welcome.
We're differently abled, differently.
Evelyn has had to raise his 3 sons who further developed complications due to sickle cell. Take a look.
Sometimes wanakuwa wagonjwa wote mara moja. Saa ingine mwingine anaona unapatia huyu attention sana kuliko huyu mwingine. Saa ingine wanaona you are not caring. Saa ingine wanaona like you brought them in the world na sasa umeshindwa nao.
As a mother, Evelyn has experienced firsthand the struggles and complications that come with sickle cell disease.
As we've been growing up, we knew we had a condition, but we never knew what the name was.
It has been a really long journey, full of pain, full of many complications. I've done 13 surgeries so far, most of them on my leg, and I still have some more that I need to do because the implant was removed, the one that they had put before. So nowadays it's really tough to walk, it's really tough to do anything.
Ian, the second born, has developed stroke.
The first one really happened, nilikuwa nimeclear, I think class 8, tulikuwa church. So tukitoka na mom and the rest, while we were walking, I just made a step with my left foot na nikaanguka. And that very first time, his side yote ya left ikakuwa numb. And it was kind of like dropping. Then the second time, I think it was after 3 months from that day.
Then there's Joshua who is in Form 2. Joshua has had a lot of blood transfusions. Ye hana pain kama za Kevin ama za Ian, lakini damu yake inaisha kila after 2 months ameisha damu. So kuna siku nimeuza daktari, hii frequent transfusion inanipea wasiwasi. Does it have side effect? Daktari aliniambia akipata frequent transfusion anaweza kupata blood cancer. So nikiuza daktari, now what do we do? Daktari akasema the only option is to have his spleen removed, because spleen ndio ina I'll use the layman's language, inaambia damu mwili hii damu ni mbaya, then inaharibu hiyo damu. So anaweza kupata kama leo after 1 week imeisha because the spleen is faulty.
To manage the condition, they have to take drugs on a daily basis.
After nimeanza kumeza drugs za the condition, it actually helps because once you're consistent taking it in the morning every single day, yes, utaisikia but in a far away.
Hydroxyurea they take 8 per day, and 8 per day is 160 shillings per day, and at the end of the month it's about 4,800. Then Kevin uses painkiller for about 2,500 to 3,000 a day, because it will take for 500 shillings after every 2 hours, another 500, after every 2 hours another 500. So by the end of the day I normally spend around 3,000 shillings per day. Then the other supplements like folic, paludrin and zinc we get at the clinic after paying a consultation of 300 shillings for each one of them.
Evelyn has had to stay at home to take care of her sons as she can't commit to a more demanding job.
Up to like 7 years back, I used to do everything for myself. I was employed, I had my own businesses. But after I started the first surgery on the hip, I couldn't do much from there.
Hawa watoto siwezi achia house help kwa maana wako a bit delicate kuachia house help. So I decided to do jua kali things as I take care of them. Na kuna hiyo changamoto ya jua kali, leo unapata, kesho unakosa. Saa ingine unaweza kuwa na pesa ndio, una opt mnunue dawa, lakini msinunue chakula.
All that pressure goes to one person because mom is the only one who is working at the moment, and we are 3 who get frequently sick.
This comes with its own implication as she is not able financially to meet the cost that comes with treatment and management of the ailment.
Tulikuwa na medical cover, lakini hiyo medical cover ingekuwa inalipia vitu zingine kama hizo. So tukatafuta funds mahali tukamfanyia hiyo hip replacement. Alipofanywa hip replacement amekaa for another 5 years. Maumivu ikakuwa ni mingi sana, na tena anatumia madawa mingi ya painkiller. So hiyo madawa ikakuja karibu mkono wake kwa sababu ya kudungwa kila mahali. So by that time alikuwa amepita miaka ya medical cover. So all the time tulikuwa tunatumia tu pesa kutoka kwa, tunatafuta pesa tunamtibu.
Apart from the financial implication, there is so much stigma.
Some people say mko na majini, others they don't know. Others say uliolewa kwa familia ya wachawi. Others say very funny things. So nilistahimili hiyo matusi yote na maneno yote, niliolewa kwa watu wabaya.
I'm kind of used to losing friends, but there are those who actually stick around and try to help where they can. But majority of them just walked away. Others even tell you to your face, don't expect me to help you.
In primary, teachers walikuwa because they only knew, so they kind of exclude you from some things. But kuna time unafika tu, unamwambia tu, let me try to do this and this and see if I can manage, but this for manage, you can put me aside.
This family goes through both physical and emotional turmoil, which has affected the health of their primary caregiver.
I live with asthma, pressure came in, and then because of maybe worrying, and sometimes I may look big but I don't feed well.
However, optimism keeps them going.
It's one tough ailment, but with the kind of help that we get from the organizations like Selena, you can actually make it. It's not that bad.
Hiyo kuogopa ilikuwa kitambo, but sahi inabidi tunakaa ngumu.
Let's catch a breather. We'll be right back. Don't go too far.
We're differently abled, differently.